Purchase report. There is a report generated for all the inventory purchases that you made. Let us see how can we access this report in Petpooja inventory. First, we'll log into our owner's dashboard and then navigate to inventory section. Under the inventory heading, you'll find a subheading for reports where purchase report will be visible. As you can see here, filters can be applied on the basis of raw material names, category of the raw material, type, whether it is purchase or sales return. Now here, both of the entries, purchase and sales return, are inward entries. So the system can generate inward entry report in the form of purchase or sales return. Hence, there is no another report made by the name of sales return report. But in case you want to see the sales return report, you can check it out here. From date and to date. We'll be inputting the from date and to date and checking out the report format. Here, as you can see, there is the category, there is the raw material, the total quantity purchased in that particular period. So the total quantity purchased of 100 piper is 50 bottles from 8th August to 24th August. The total price of the raw material purchased. So 100 piper bottles, 50 units were purchased for 50,000 rupees in this date range. The minimum purchase price. So there is a possibility that we've done multiple purchases in the date range. So the minimum purchase price was 1,000 rupees and the maximum purchase price was also 1,000 rupees. From these two rates, you can also get the average purchase price. Now there's a plus button given here. When you click on the plus button, you can see all the invoices in which the raw material was mentioned. This can give you an idea that the raw material purchased on which date, on which invoice, in which quantity and which price, if you would like to explore the details. In case you want to export this report, you can click on export all and an Excel file will be generated containing all the details of the report. As you can see here, all the columns are mentioned along with its details. Now the report that is generated right now is given in a specific format. In case you want the concise summary report of your purchases, you can download another report which will give you a summary view of the totals which were displayed in our owner's dashboard. So this is a raw material wise report and that report was as per the supplier. Now if you want purchase report of a particular outlet, you have to first navigate to that outlet and then generate the report. As there are multiple purchases done in different outlets, different reports will be generated for each outlet. So first navigate to the outlet and then only generate the report. So this is about purchase report in Petpooja inventory. Thank you.